G'day viewers and welcome to the Subaru factory. We are deep in the beast. It's just pushing 40 degrees. It's nuclear. The clouds have come over, so it's about to unleash the rain. But you should know you really need to have a booking and a reservation to come here. We didn't. We just chucked on our Australian accents, gave away a couple of clip-on koalas, and now we are G to G. Welcome to Subaru. Well, viewers, after a good 2-hour drive from the Honda Collection Hall, we finally made our way here to the Subaru Visitor Centre. Didn't have a booking. This lovely lady came out and she had an English script and followed every car and just chatted away. Kind of drowned her out because there was only one car that we really wanted to see in this hall, and that was the Subaru Brat. Now, if you want to come and check this out, book ahead in advance, but this overhead shot, that's it. That's the entire collection. Anyway, let's go check out the little beast, or as we like to call it here in Australia, a Brumby. Viewers, I just want to show you this. It's Subaru, we call them Brumbies, but here in Japan, they're called the Subaru Brat, as you can see up here. And just show you the difference between Japanese road rules and Australian. These were the legal seats that you had in the back. Check them out, with the handles to make sure you're safe. And if you're familiar from our Don River Dash series, there's two blokes in far north Queensland that have done up a Brumby and they race it. And it is an absolute racing weapon.
Dan, thank you. Good to be here.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Awesome. Now your Brumby is the talk of the pits. Tell us about your Brumby because it's an absolute weapon.
Yeah, well, we've been racing it for a long time now. We started back in 2008 and we did a lot of Pink Desert race. We used to live in the Northern Territory, and a few years ago we moved down here and we've started doing more local races to Queensland, Southeast Queensland, a few short courses and the likes of this event, which is just fantastic. We're just having a ball.
Unreal, and it's the one car I never understood why they stopped making it. You know, it's the one car that's perfect for this country.
Yeah.
Yeah. We saw Proton come in with the Jumbuck, which is kind of like the cordial version of a Brumby.
Absolutely, yeah.
But this is the car that I can't believe, with everyone talking about the cost of fuel and everything, this has got the best of every world, doesn't it?
Yep, and nearly everybody's owned one.
John Coy is a pastoral consultant who drives up to 150,000 kilometres a year. He drives a Subaru Brumby four-wheel drive because it's as good off the road as it is on the road. If you want a workhorse with reliability and comfort, have a look at the special ag-equipped Brumby model. It's fitted with $1,200 worth of extras, and the tax-free price for primary producers is only $10,995.
Is that a little Brumby, Josh? I do like that they have started the Brumby behind all the big class.
It's the fastest car out here.
It's the fastest car.
I'm surprised it's not back with Mick Marson.
Spewing viewers, we've run out of time again. Anyway, make sure you're watching next week's episode as we make our way back to Hamamatsu and we go to the Suzuki factory and their museum. Till then, as we say here on the show, do what you want. See you next week for more Blokes World.